Everyone knows that any operation carries some danger. Advances in hospital processes have dramatically lessened the chances of danger. Unfortunately, complications are still common. When complications occur as a result of malpractice, the responsible party must be held to account for their mistake. If you believe that one of your organs was nicked or you have sustained a rupture during your operation, our attorneys can determine if you have a valid negligence lawsuit. The attorneys of Hastings Law Firm understand the distress a patient feels after suffering malpractice, as we have worked with many clients who have experienced this. We work hard to obtain the highest possible compensation and ensure that the negligent parties are held liable for their actions. Our strong record of victorious outcomes reveals how dedicated we are in assisting those who have sustained harm during their operation. Bowel injuries are very frequent injuries resulting from a nicked organ. It is a long and complicated organ, and surgeons must be careful not to damage it inadvertently. Other common injuries that occur during surgery involve the intestines, stomach, and liver. When an organ is harmed, toxins can flow into the area resulting in disease, inner bleeding, or a variety of other health issues. If you have sustained a surgical injury, your doctor has caused you damage instead of healing you. Common injuries are swollen abdomen, fever, pain in the abdomen, bowel dysfunction, nausea, and vomiting. Doctors are well educated to prevent inadvertent harm, and there are processes to ensure the operated area is inspected before concluding the operation. However, many doctors do not have the appropriate training or do not adhere to the processes. Our lawyers will review your hospital history to discover if any processes were not followed or improper implements were applied during your operation. We can also see whether the injury was properly identified and dealt with to avoid further harm to you. Our firm has worked for over 15 years in the area of medical negligence, and we are experienced in recognizing whether a client has suffered due to malpractice. We seek the compensation you deserve for your injury that could have a lifelong impact. We hope to avoid anyone else suffering as you have, by ensuring the responsible party is held to account for their mistake. Call our Texas attorneys to arrange a no-cost appointment and to discuss your medical negligence case. The Hastings Law Firm attorneys are experienced in representing victims of medical negligence throughout Texas. If you believe that you or a family member has sustained a trauma as a result of malpractice, we strongly recommend that you contact our dedicated lawyers without delay to discuss a potential lawsuit. We will give you a complimentary and confidential consultation, where we will discuss your legal rights and your options going forward. Contact us to arrange your free first appointment.